Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a custom Discord invite link for server. Alright, so let's begin with the video. A custom invite link makes your server more recognizable, professional, and easier to share. Instead of long random characters, you can use a name that reflects your community or brand, which is easier for people to remember and type. First, open Discord on your PC and go to your server. Click on a server name at the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Invite People. This will generate an invite link for your server. You can copy it to your clipboard. Now navigate to the server you want to invite people to. To create your custom link, paste the following format into the text field. It's provided in the video description. Paste your default invite code into invite and replace code with your desired custom name. After creating your custom invite link, hit enter to share it with your community. Now, anyone using this link will be redirected to your Discord server. So that's basically how you can create a custom Discord invite link for server. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.